Good morning, students. And today, again, we are in the math class of Standard 9. As you know, that we are doing this number system, and today we will do some sums of exercise 1F. So, please open your book and see the sum number second of earth. It is the second sum of earth number. So here you see the question. This is the LHS part of the question. In LHS part, it is 1 upon 1 plus root 2 plus root 2 plus root 3 plus root 3 plus root 4, 1 upon root 3 plus root 4 plus dot 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 and so on. Then lastly it is plus 1 upon root 8 plus root 9. So this is the LHS part. Obviously, since surds are in the denominator, then you know very well what to do. Rationalize. The rationalization is the only solution. So we will rationalize term by term, one after another. So first term it is 1 upon 1 plus root 2. First of all you will rationalize it, the first term, here it is the first term. So when you will rationalize, you will multiply the denominator and numerator by this same quantity 1 minus root 2 and also 1 minus root 2. 1 minus root 2 upon 1 minus root 2. So after rationalization, you will get here 1 minus root 2 and in denominator it is 1 minus 2. Again 1 minus root 2 upon minus 1, because 1 minus 2 will give you minus 1. That is equal to root 2 minus 1. So I have arranged this in this way, shifting this minus 1 to the numerator, and that's why the sign has been changed here. That's why it is plus root 2 minus 1. Okay, then go ahead. Here you will see that again, or now we have taken the second term, 1 upon root 2 plus root 3. So see, again we have multiplied with root 2 minus root 3 upon root 2 minus root 3. Okay, multiplying numerator and denominator by the same quantity. What we will get? You will get root 2 minus root 3 upon 2 minus 3. Again in the denominator it is minus 1 and root 2 minus root 3 is here. Again if we will shift this minus 1 to the numerator, the sign will change, and here it is root 3 minus root 2. Okay, now moving ahead, here you see it is moving ahead for the third term, fourth term, fifth term, so on, and lastly here is the last term. So in this manner, the last term is 1 upon root 8 plus root 9 into, see, for rationalizing we have taken root 8 minus root 9 upon root 8 minus root 9. So after multiplication you will get root 8 minus root 9 upon 8 minus 9. So this will further give you root 8 minus root 9 upon minus 1. Again shifting this minus 1 from the denominator, shifting to the numerator, what will happen? Just we have to change the sign. So it is root 9 minus root 3. Sorry, root 9 minus root 8. Now, putting the above values, already we have obtained the rationalized values of each and every term. So, putting all these values in LHS, in the LHS. This was the LHS part. You see the LHS part, this was the LHS part. So putting these values which we have obtained after the rationalization in the LHS, what will happen? See, LHS equal to root 2 minus 1. Here is the first result of the first term, the rationalized answer of the first term, root 2 minus 1. So in one bracket, thereafter plus sign was there, then root 3 minus root 2, the rationalized form of the second term. Similarly, we will again further write root 4 minus root 3, then root 5 minus root 4, and so on dot dot dot, and in last it is root 9 minus root 8. So we have collected all the rationalized form of each and every terms and put them in the LHS. What we observe here, see here root 2 plus and 1 root 2 minus is here. So minus root 2 plus root 2 cancelled. Then you see again in the next term or in the next bracket you will get here is the plus root 3 and the next bracket you will get minus root 3. Similarly, when you will write all other terms also. But I have not written, I have shown only 3 terms. So in this way, this root 3 will be cancelled, root 4, root 5, root 6 and all other will be cancelled, and also root 7, then this comes root 8. Root 8 will be also cancelled by the just before bracket of this bracket, last bracket. And then only left here it is root 9. Root over 9 is left here. So from starting here you say, here you see it is minus 1. In first bracket what is left? Minus 1, and in last bracket it is plus root 9. Obviously it will give you minus 1, and for this root 9 you will get 3. So it is the 3. So minus 1 plus 3 equal to 2. So that is the RHS. You see the value in RHS in your book, it is given there. So that is the RHS. So hence this sum has been proved. So you will write here proved. Now coming to the next sum, now you concentrate, see your book, sum number 16. This is the 16 number sum. So in 16 number sum, the value of x is given. You see the question, x equal to root 13 plus 2 root 3. Okay. So we will find the value of 1 upon x. So for obtaining 1 upon x, 1 upon, we have put the value of this x here in the denominator, and then since denominator, in denominator there are surds. Surds means root portion. So just you have to rationalize. So here it is the rationalization. We have multiplied the numerator and denominator by root 13 minus 2 root 3 and root 13 minus 2 root 3. Okay. So after rationalization, what is left here? Root 13 minus 2 root 3. Okay. In the numerator, and in the denominator it is a plus b into a minus b. This will give you, here it is a square minus b square. See, so a square minus b square means 13 minus 12 in the denominator. Okay, and numerator is root 13 minus 2 root 3. That is equal to root 13 minus 2 root 3, and in the denominator 13 minus 12 will give you 1. Okay, so this will give you finally root 13 minus 2 root 3. But you have to find the value of this much. You see the question again. In question it is asked, find the value of x minus 1 upon x. Okay. So put the value of x, here it is the value of x, and minus 1 upon x. So for minus, here it is minus, and 1 upon x. So for 1 upon x, here is the 1 upon x. So I have calculated this much. This was the value of 1 upon x. So put it here, 1 upon x. Now open this bracket, and this will be your minus, and this minus will be your plus. So after opening this bracket, you see 2 root 3, it is plus here, 2 root 3. And this minus root 13, here it is minus root 13, and then this root 13 plus 2 root 3. So root 13 plus and minus root 13 cancelled. What is left? 2 root 3 here and 2 root 3 here. So total it is 4 root 3. This is the answer for this sum number 16. And now also note the very important thing for which you also always try to keep yourself very far away or very up to at a very distant. So don't go far away of this subject and don't maintain any distance. Come closer to this subject, then only you will be competent in math. So, and what is this? That is the homework complete exercise 1F. So I hope you will do this. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.